Feeling drained and foggy? It may be your cells. Reclaim natural energy. Think clearer. Feel like yourself again.
Advanced Mitochondrial Formula fuels your cells with nutrients like niacinamide, CoQ10, and PQQ to help boost energy and reduce fatigue. Feel more focused, energized, and ready to enjoy life again. To learn more, click the link in the description box below, or click the link in our bio. This offer has been brought to you by Channel Health Becomes You.
Health becomes you. Health becomes you.
Check out the description below for more details about the best-selling Advanced Mitochondrial Formula, or visit healthbecomesyou.online to see a list of the full range of products available to purchase. Read the powerful testimonials from people all over the world, real people who are benefiting from these cutting-edge, high-quality, trusted supplements formulated by doctors. Don't miss out. Order a trial bottle and see the difference for yourself. We're confident you won't regret it.